Namaskar. At Vega Schools, we know how important it is to nurture our children, especially our very young learners. Safety and security of our children is of paramount importance to us, and we ensure that all our learners, irrespective of age, feel loved, safe, and welcome when they come into school. Our 360-degree development model actually allows all children to grow in the three areas which are most important: emotionally, socially, and academically. With individual learning plans, we actually tailor our education to the unique needs of each child. By emphasizing learning by doing, we provide hands-on experiences to our children which inculcate and nurture a love for learning in every single child who's at Vega. Come visit us and see the Vega Schools difference for yourself.